Novita Humidifier NH900 humidification technology has the option of using either ultrasonic or heat vaporizing to humidify the area. Other features include UV biophotocatalyst sterilization and deodorization, water shortage indicator, a hygrostat which indicate or control the relative humidity of the room, and much more. Press the power button to switch on or off. Press the level button to adjust the mist volume. Pressing the desired button will increase user humidity preference by 5%. Total of 4 pre-programmed humidity settings are stored which allow user to choose desired humidity preference. Press the button as shown to produce warm mist. Press the timer switch button to adjust the duration on operating the humidifier. The water shortage indicator will appear if water level is low. Lift up the cap as shown, followed by the water tank. Open the water cap to fill up the water. Clean the nebulizer plus other parts of the humidifier with water and soft brush.